Hello people and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, a special welcome to you. I ask that you check out the rest of my videos. If you like what you see, give them a thumbs up, but more than anything else, I ask that you subscribe to the channel. So, today's video is a little different. Today I'm going to test your patois skill. So this video is really for Jamaicans and non-Jamaicans who are fascinated by the language. This is an opportunity for you guys to learn some Jamaican patois words and terminology. For all you guys who don't know, Jamaican patois is as complicated as it is complex. It's a language that's widely spoken in Jamaica by most, but known by all Jamaicans. So even those who don't practice patois knows patois in Jamaica. It is not the national language, but it is the secondary language that's spoken across the island. A language that has left the island and has been embraced in fascination by many other cultures. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to run 50 patois words across the screen, giving you guys an opportunity to test your own patois skill. So you're going to see the word across your screen, and in your own space and time, you and your family or friends can say the meaning or give your own definition of the word or phrase. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to come back on screen and give you my definition and my meaning of the word and phrases, and let's see how many of you guys and I were in sync. So this video is going to be somewhat different from the videos that I normally do, less serious but still educating and entertaining. So without any further ado, let's get to it. welcome back. I trust that you guys had as much fun coming up with your definition and explaining the terminology with your friends as I did, putting these 50 words and phrases together. So now here goes. I'm gonna go through them one by one for you and see which one of you guys and I fell in sync. Hopefully our Jamaican level is like this, our Patois level is like this. So here goes. First word, Jinal. Well, in Patois, what a Jinal mean is someone who's a trickster, a con artist, and that's a Jinal. Second word, white squall. White squall is a funny one because white squall is a term that in Patois we use when someone is hungry and their lips are chapped and the dryness start presenting some white marks around the lips. That's pretty much white squall we use in Jamaica to describe a higher level of hunger. Laba laba. Laba laba is a Patois term that Jamaicans use which describe a chatty or talkative person, but especially someone who goes around talking a lot to create mischief. Number 4 was Cruff. Cruff in Jamaican Patois is just someone who is a bum, someone without any goals, no ambition, no aspiration. Crosses. Crosses is a term Jamaican use for bad luck. Old Brook. Old Brook is a Patois term that Jamaicans use when they're describing used furniture or used clothes. Anything used Jamaicans usually call it Old Brook. And the number 7 was gun in a baggie. Gun in a baggie actually is a Patois term that Jamaican use for sexual transmitted disease, STD. Female is positive for any STD. Jamaican Patois we usually say she have gun in her baggie. Number 8 was Maga. Maga is a Patois term describing a skinny person, meager shaped person, someone who is meager in build. Number 9 was Mampi. Mampi is just the opposite of Maga. Mampi is a Jamaican Patois term we use for big girls, heavy-set girls. Number 10 was Wasteman. Wasteman is pretty much a Patois term that we use for time wasters, someone who is not about anything, someone who's just existing but it's not going nowhere too fast or too soon. There's no gain associated with that person. Bickle, and bickle simply means food in Patois. Mother woman or mother lady is usually a term in Patois we refer to as a female who is a spiritual advisor. They're usually referred to as a mother woman or a mother lady. Bush to the bones. Bush to the bones is pretty much when someone is well dressed or very well presented, a dapper look, but it can be applied to male or female. Bush to the bones just meaning that you look great in your outfit. Ready eye. Ready eye is a Jamaican Patois term we use for being envious or jealous when someone covets. Number 15 was no say a word. No say a word is really a confirmation that's saying, I got you, fully understood. Wolyakana. Wolyakana is a Patois term in Jamaica that we use to say, be by yourself. Ganzi. Ganzi is a term that Jamaica use for t-shirt. Turn up. Turn up is a Patois term. It's a Jamaican Patois term that equivalated to the American term lit. So in Jamaica, if you say something turn up, it's being appreciated. It's at its best. It's at the best. It's one of the highest levels, so it turn up. Follow fashion. Follow fashion is just Jamaican Patois word for copycat. Chamba chamba. Chamba chamba refers to anything that's not smooth. Especially something that was required to be cut. If it's not cut evenly, Jamaican Patois we would say it's chamba chamba. Ballhead. Ballhead is not necessarily someone without hair. Ballhead in Jamaican patois goes to anybody who is not a Rastafarian, who is not a dreadlocks. In Jamaica, you're considered a ballhead. Stush. Stush is a patois term used in Jamaica for snobby people, posh people, people who think they're better than a certain class. Kotch. Kotch is a term that you use in patois. Kotch actually has two meanings, because kotch is actually referred to a stance. You know, if you lean it up against a wall in Jamaica, you could say just kotch. But kotch is also known as when you are staying with someone, you are living with someone, like a friend, you are by their house, you're at a temporary residence. And if you're a temporary resident in someone's home, it is known in Jamaica as your kotch. Pum pum. Pum pum is Jamaican patois term for female or private, a vagina. Buddy. Buddy is an interesting term used in Jamaican patois. While worldwide, everybody hears the term buddy refers to a friend. In Jamaican patois, buddy actually means a man's penis. Dark. Dark is a patois word that Jamaicans use for someone who is illiterate or ignorant. Babylon. Babylon is a patois word that refers to anything under the branch of government. If it has to do with government, whether local or world government, in Jamaica, Babylon is referred to government. Claffy. Claffy is a patois term that's used to describe any human beings who are simple, like a simpleton. Jim Screechy. Now, Jim Screechy is a funny one. I was actually happy to bring this one up because Jim Screechy sounds like someone's name, but it's actually an action for when someone is sneaking by, you know, someone tiptoeing. In Jamaica, that is referred to as Jim Screechy. Fast. Fast in Jamaica actually means someone who is inquisitive. And the word duppy. Duppy in Jamaica actually refers to a ghost. Norited. Norited is a patois term we use for anyone who is medically insane or someone who is mentally unstable. Back and belly rat. Back and belly rat is usually a term used for frenemy, someone who's a backstabber, someone who betrayed you. Susu susu. Susu susu is a patois word you use for gossips. Anybody who gossip, especially in whispers behind your back, in patois you say them just a susu susu. Cancer stick. Cancer stick is a term in patois used to describe a simple cigarette. Bun bun. Bun bun is usually the bottom of the pot, that rice that is left at the bottom of the pot, the one that sticks to the pot after you finish cooking rice. In Jamaica, that is referred to as bun bun. Broke pocket. Well, broke pocket, if you listen carefully, it actually kind of explains itself. Broke pocket in patois simply means someone who's broke, got no money, penniless. Gallus. Gallus is a term you use in Jamaican patois to describe a womanizer, someone with plenty of female partners. Mama man. Mama man is a patois term you use to describe a male with female tendencies. Carouches. Carouches is a patois term we use for junk, unnecessary items, whether it has to do with clothes or anything in your household that is considered unnecessary, some things that hoarders would have, anything that people compile that they're not actively using is considered carouches. Bangarang. Bangarang is actually a testy one for me because I had to think, what exactly is bangarang? Because I know how to use it, but it was kind of difficult to explain. Bangarang is kind of like drama. Run up mode simply means when you're cooking. If you're a runner boat, that means you're preparing a meal. Go and come. That is a tricky one, so I have to explain it for you guys who didn't get it. If go and come simply means mentally unstable. So you usually describe someone if they say that person go and come sometime. It means they're not all there mentally. Madam. Madam is a term that we use in Jamaica to say, well, drive someone crazy, you know, but it's usually used in a show-off manner like, I got my new car, it's a madam. Look at my new clothes, it's a madam. Build my new house, it's a madam. Itty-tighty. Itty-tighty is the same as tush. Itty-tighty is when you have some people that act as if they're better than another class of people. Potter call kettle black. Potter call kettle black is a phrase Jamaican use to describe someone who discriminates against another person even though they're both in the same situation. Mean. Now, mean in other countries, I mean, it's written in English and it sounds like English, but in Jamaican patois, the definition is totally different. Mean in Jamaica means a stingy person, someone who would not give away anything. A selfish person in patois is described as mean. Ramp. In Jamaican patois, the word ramp simply means play. And last but not least of my 50, wash belly. Wash belly is a term in Jamaica which we use in patois to describe the last child born in a family. The last child for a mother is usually considered a wash belly in Jamaica. I hope you guys enjoy this, like I said, as much as I did. And that's pretty much it for now. Until next time, peace.